What's up, you guys? So today, in today's video, just like the picture that you guys have seen in the title, you already know what this video is all about. It's all about getting this face hunty. So go ahead and keep watching.
Hello, Fashion Forward fam. So if you guys have not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click on that notification bell so you can stay up to date. First thing I'm doing is using my Mario Badescu face setting spray. Well, it's actually facial spray. I'm just spraying that onto my face. My brows are already done, but if you want a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, I have a brow video. Just click on the card above and you'll see it. I'm priming my face with my Wet n Wild eye primer actually. And then I'm going to go ahead with the Becca Sheer Glow foundation. Now I absolutely love this foundation. It is very sheer coverage. I would definitely say it's very light coverage. Gives me a light finish. However, I can put on more to build it up. So I would say it's light to medium coverage in my opinion. You guys know I have to make sure I'm blending into my skin. It is no joke. Now I'm going in with my finishing powder by Black Opal in the color medium, and I'm just applying that onto my face, and this is going to actually set my foundation. And I actually use the same foundation brush to apply it as well. I just think it works better for me in that way, but you know, to each his own. Alright, now it's time for the highlighting, and I'm going to use my LA Pro Girl Concealer, and this is in the color Fawn, and I'm going to apply that to everywhere that I intend to highlight. As you guys can see, I did not use color corrector today at all, so you guys are going to see how the makeup looks on my face without color correcting my skin. So I'm going in with the ColourPop's setting powder in dark, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that on my eyelids since I'm not going to be doing any other eyeshadow today. Contour, I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl in the color Mahogany, and I'm going to use that to contour into my cheeks, well underneath my cheeks. And I'm probably going to bring it down to my jawline, yep, and my nose as well. Time to go ahead and melt that into my skin, melt the concealer right in using my damp blender sponge. As you guys can see, I'm not swiping any of the product. I'm literally tapping it right into the skin. It's a huge difference between tapping and swiping, trust me. And for the contour, I definitely buff it in using my same face sponge, same face brush to go ahead and buff it right on into my skin. I like this effect better than using the blender to kind of pat it in. I prefer buffing. You can use whatever brush you like, but you know, this is what I had on hand at the moment. Last, my favorite part, and that is baking, honey. I love to bake. I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm using my beauty sponge to go ahead and apply this to the areas in which I highlighted. And you guys, I don't know about you, but when I bake, honey, my makeup be coming out popping. Let me know if you guys like to bake or if you guys just like to dust or quickly set your face instead of baking. Let me know. Now for my wing line, I'm using Rimmel London's in the felt tip to go ahead and do a quick wing line. Mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Setting my contour with ColourPop's dark setting powder. And I'm not baking, just setting the contour. And now it's time to go ahead and wipe off the excess, but instead of dusting it away, I'm just going to go ahead and use my damp beauty sponge and tap it right on into my skin. You guys, this method works wonders. In my opinion, way better than sweeping the dust off of your face. Patting it into your skin, now that skin goes right there. For my waterline, I'm using C'est La Vie in the color Jet Black. I'm just going to go ahead and line that real quick. Nothing too extra. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and buff out the underneath the bottom lash with my ColourPop in deep in the setting powder. For setting spray today, I'm using Wet n Wild's mattifying spray. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Anglola highlight, and this is from the crayon case. Love this highlight, you guys. After I'm all done with highlight, I spray my face once more. And now I'm going to use C'est La Vie in the color black, and I'm going to use that to outline my lips. I didn't talk about my eyelashes. So for eyelashes, I'm using the Aramika lash that I've used in my previous video. And I'll have a link to where you can purchase that lash below. And for today's lip color, I'm using ColourPop, and this is from the Disney collection, and this color is Tiana, Princess Tiana, and I love the color red. The reason why I decided to go in with the black lip liner is because I felt it will give it a darker look. I was expecting this lipstick color to be on the more plum side, but it is a very red. So using the black made it pop. I really like how this look came out, you guys. Oh, gotta remove the bonnet.
So that's the finished look, you guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. And there should be a video coming right after these messages that I just said. Okay, so make sure again you subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye.